Photoshop can transform you into an avatar faster than you ever imagined. First, using an already created AI image of myself that I generated with the Avataro software, I told Photoshop AI to create an image of a grandma that is tech-savvy. I had it generate twice, and these are the resulting images. This wireframe sort of image was the result of a previous try, so I started with it and used default settings. I got this image of a half grandma holding a tablet. Then I told it to create an image of a grandma that is tech-savvy and dresses like a 20-year-old female and helps others with their technology issues. This yielded this African-American grandma with her granddaughter. I next told it to create an image of a grandma that is tech-savvy and dresses like a 20-year-old female. The result was this grandma with the tablet. I had Photoshop AI create an image of a grandma that is tech-savvy and dresses like a 20-year-old female. I chose the art setting and used an AI image of myself for the reference image. Here is what AI thought I meant. Using the same text, I used the art setting and cartoon and futuristic effects with usual AI image of me as a reference image to get this lovely image of an elegant, seemingly oriental grandma. So the images I was getting were interesting but not very avatar-like, so I started a new strategy. Again, I used the same text and I used the art setting with cartoon and futuristic effects but no reference image. And I got this stunning, somewhat hip grandma with no relation to technology, but it looks much more like an avatar. Again, I used the same text and I used the art setting and the comic book and doodle draw effects, which ended up looking like a pen and ink drawing. Keeping the text the same, I used the art setting with cartoon, anime, and claymation effects, and this is what we got. At least this grandma is using technology. I realized that all the cartoon-like grandmas were blue-eyed, so I added brown-eyed to my text. I used the art setting with cartoon, anime, and fantasy effects, and here she is. At least she does have brown eyes. Again, using the same text, except I added at the end a short asymmetric hairstyle. I used the art setting with cartoon and simple effects, no reference image. Notice that adding the simple effect made the image much more two-dimensional. So I added brown-eyed to the description on this one and used the claymation grandma as a reference image and regenerated it. This time, I used the same text again, including the brown-eyed and the asymmetric hairstyle. I used the art setting, cartoon and anime effects, and I used this image as a reference image. And this is what we got. It's more like the image I was going for, but where are the brown eyes and the technology? So again, using the same text, I added that I wanted the grandma to be wearing a headset. And this is what we got. Again, no brown eyes, but at least I got a headset. So it took me more than 10 minutes to go through this process. But now that you know the tricks, you should be able to create an avatar in Photoshop in much less than 10 minutes. You just use the tool that's already open just beneath your workspace. Lots of options to choose from. The cartoon and anime effects seem to create the most avatar-like images. You'll have lots of fun playing around with all the effects. So many to choose from. You have been seeing the parade of different images that Photoshop AI generated. Please help me choose which one to use going forward. There will be a survey with this video where you can vote on your favorite. So now try creating your own avatars in Photoshop. And then I would love it if you would share the results in the comments section. If you don't already have Photoshop, there will be links in the description where you can get your own copy. It's not free software, but I find it's really worth the nominal monthly fee. So this is Tech Grandma. Bye for now.